Hi everyone, welcome to this basic Unreal Engine tutorial that will show you how to change your mouse cursor in the game, or simply put, how to add some basic mouse interactivity in your project. So as you can see, we have this regular top-down template open. Nothing has been changed so far, so this is a regular preset. And here my plan is to show you this ability of Unreal by adding an object which will then change cursor, its shape and form, once we hover over it. So that's going to be the entire process that we're going to apply here, but it will show you not only the process of changing your mouse cursor, but also how does essential, very basic, very simple mouse interactivity work in Unreal Engine. To do that, first we need a target for that change, and we're going to get it from our starter content, and we're going to add a simple prop to the level. So we're going to go to starter content, props, and choose, for example, the sphere. So we have this static mesh, which is your regular sphere. We're going to make it a bit bigger so it's clearer what we're doing with it. Let's see. Okay, so this should be enough. So it's simply a sphere in the level itself. Now my idea is to add the function of, once we're in the game, of mouse cursor changing shape once we hover over it. So we won't click or do anything else, we're simply going to hover over the same material sphere. To do that, with the selected material sphere, we're going to go to blueprints and open up level blueprint. In the player blueprint, first we're going to add a node that is going to be get player controller. From here on out, we're going to add from the player controller two sets of states for the mouse cursor. First one is hover over, and the other one is move away from the object or end hover. So first we're going to add begin cursor over. So it's an event add on begin cursor over. So this is when the mouse button starts to hover over the object, and the other one will be end event. Now from the player controller, we're only going to add a node that is going to be set current mouse cursor, and because we have two states, we're going to copy these or make two of these nodes to connect with each of the states. So we're going to connect get player controller to both of these, and we're going to again connect begin cursor over to the first one and end cursor over to the second one. So right now we haven't set any changes, but we're going to do that for begin cursor over, and the current mouse cursor drop down menu will change that to hand. And end on cursor over, as you can see, both of these are related to the material sphere, as they should be. We're going to return it to default. So with that, we can try out the game itself. We went for comply and save, and let's see how does that look in the game. So here it is, here is our player. We start to hover, and as you can see, it changes to the hand cursor. As soon as we leave, it's back to the normal cursor, so we can kind of change perspectives, and as you can see, immediately when the pixel is turned in the camera to the sphere, it revolves back to the hand and then back to default. Hand, 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 default, and it works for the entire material sphere regardless of the perspective or the distance you're from the same sphere. Now a small tip, I'm going to show it to you right now. When you first try out this, you might end up in a problem like this one. you begin to play and the mouse cursor doesn't change. That happened to me and it drives me a bit nuts, but the whole point is that you need to click inside of the game for the game to actually begin. Even though you started the simulation, it's not active because it has to be clicked and run inside of the simulation. The gameplay has to begin, or the action inside of simulation has to begin before this happens, even though the cursor is already active. So see, it functions like this. I click and it works. So have that in mind, because otherwise you might think there's a problem with the blueprint you created or something like that. There isn't. You just need to click and start the same simulation. That's all from this tutorial video. Hopefully you found it useful. With a simple set of nodes in your blueprint, level blueprint, you can create a change in your mouse cursor. There are other options that you can use, and you can see there are plenty of these, all in this drop down menu and all open to your needs. So hopefully you'll be able to use this for your projects. Again, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Unreal tutorial videos and a bunch of gaming and podcast videos as well. I would love to leave or I would love for you to leave a like if you found the video useful, leave a comment if you have any, and of course don't forget again to subscribe, maybe even hit that bell button. That's all for me. My name is Ivica. Thanks for the lifetime for watching this Unreal video. Have a great day and have loads of fun in your Unreal projects. Bye bye.